so you
there.
Oh, fire extinguisher. Can you go grab the fire extinguisher, Paul?
Yeah, get Paul.
We're confident enough not to pull the pin now. You right? You ready? Let's see what happens. Give it a squirt of. Not on me. In the holes.
In here. Yeah, in here.
There you go.
There you go.
All right.
Nice.
Did you get it?
Yeah, oh yeah.
That was it, first try.
Yeah.
Woohoo! I guess the ignition timing and the valve timing set. Let's
Sounds
give it
right
another
on.
go. Yeah, so you can do the throttle. Okay, give it a squirt because it's off choke. Okay, you ready?
Yes.
So you're the throttle man. Here we go. That's good enough. We can send that to him.